My butt is so... One of the hardest thing to work is... Awit ko out of balance. So guys, I slide myself there. And then this would be our next one. Bukan na yan guys. I close my eyes and count to 10. Smile. Someday I will be starring in your movie. Someday you will be drinking your coffee with me. Kumabun eh. Lami ni?
Pili.
Bulang kay tayo. Biraha.
Tapi isa sa likod bro. Tanawas mo na, napay sulod. Wala, napla yapon.
Try na.
Ah.
Mungkin ako na video handa. Ay, sabi na siya. Agoy!
Wala, paglaran ko na.
Aray, putiki. Ha? Nice siya, geng. Inaog ko di kayo mag-video ko. Kami papatay. Sige ko kayo.
Hindi gudaan nila magis kabayo. Oh. Hindi nag-aangat kabayo na. Ha?
Awas si Dagol. Saan si Dagol?
Oh. Oh. Bagan yun.
I know it's a
Bakay kang bata ka.
Ma'am, naputlong mangon pa na.
Anak naman to siya.
Ah.
I'm looking for a sweet song, a sad waiting for a reason to laugh.
Ano? Ay, naulahin ko noon. Big spider, guys. I don't know if that's poisonous. It's a big one. Bye-bye!
I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong.
Sula po.
Through what goes on must come down. Is what goes on finally must come
ginabda. Yet.
I'm going home to the place where I belong. You're always at this life just for me. Look at this, guys. It's so elevated and there's a lot of grass. Huh? Meron! The struggle is real.
Instead of spending all my time to figure why I've gone, I've come to this conclusion in the end. What's done is done. 'Cause what goes on,
I am back home. My butt is so hugaw, dirty. And I have snack here, guys. This is guava. And by the way, I don't eat seeds.
No, it's sticky. As you can see, it have sticky
Saliva.
banana saliva.
Gani, abot sa karon. It's a dos, it's a tres.
Okay, kabalo mo siya wala ang isa.
What is that? Like the blackbird? Crow? 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 Ah!
There's
will come down. Yes, what goes on will come down.
So guys, it's raining. It's gonna be... So it's raining and it's fogging right now. It's going to be cold later tonight. This is red galay, guys. It's good also for like salad. Like boiled a little until it's cooked and remove the juices, then put some vinegar and seasonings. So guys, one of the hardest thing to work is raining. You can see the mountains back there. If it's not raining, then we can still work because it's still 4 p.m. But it's raining. Ah! So, by the way guys, we harvest this as soon as possible because it's been 9 months already and it's going to be the owner of this land is gonna take it back. So, we need to harvest so that we can earn something a little because right now coconut is so cheap. So it's not a good business to run. A few months ago, like March, it was higher. So when coconut is higher, then you have a higher income as well. But when coconut is lower, then you have lower income. So yeah. I would like to say thank you for all the comments. From now on, I will try to read them and include the best comment in the last vlog. But this doesn't mean that the other comments is not appreciated. I really appreciate them all. When I have a chance, you know I do read them and reply, but not all. I hope you understand and appreciate that. Thank you so much to all of the comments, guys. From Neo, thank you so much, Neo. You mostly understand the vlog. It means you watch every second of the video. Comment down below if you agree I look sexy throwing coconut. Yes, from 50,000 to 70k in 2 years. I'm still waiting for the owner's decision about the land. From Brian, I'm glad you enjoyed all of my videos, Brian. Some of my supporters doesn't want to be acknowledged, so I thought others as well. So I thanked them through email. So guys, if you want to be anonymous, just email me to not include you. Thank you so much everyone. And I would like to say thank you to all of the super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and PayPal. I would like to say thank you to Joe, GS Spice, John Van Kitts, David AICS USA, Randy Stidwell, Steven Robinson, and Robert McIntyre. And thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh, this is our current situation right now, guys. Ta-da! So we are 6 people. 1, 6. Yay! Igang oy? Nawala na ako. Ay, ang kamera na. Ha? So, this is our current situation right now, guys. Right here. There. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So, if you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you and bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.